So look at the next problem. F of A, B, C, D, E. So how many variables? So 5 variables. So the given expression is 5 variables means 2 to the power of 5. So 2 to the power of 5 is means 32 inputs. So start from 0 to 31. So up to, you are supposed to write the binary numbers from 0 to up to 31. Okay. So the given the min terms like this, and don't case, just given min terms should be filled with 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and don't case should be filled with x. Okay. After doing this, you're supposed to make one variable as map entered variables. Better to go with the make a last column as a map entered variable. So this expression is in a 5 variables that has to be reduced to 3 variable, 2 variable, or 4 variable. 4 variables. You're supposed to reduce it to 4 variables when they are not explicitly given in the question. So reduce it to 4. 5 variables should be reduced to 4. 4 variables should be reduced to 3. 3 variables should be reduced to 2 when they are not explicitly specified in the question. If they explicitly specify, then you're supposed to follow what they have asked in the question. Okay. So as usual, 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1, both are same. These are both are same. So write E. Why E? E is made as a map entered variable. 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 x. So this is 1, this is x. Whether x to be taken as 1 or 0, that will be decided by this. So it is 1. So if you take 1, 1 and 1 is 1. Now see, this is E column, this is function column. 0 idra 1 idra, 1 idra 0 idra. Reverse 0 1 1 0. So this is completely reverse of E column. So that is nothing but so E bar. 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0. So out of 32 data inputs, we have got 16. So you know the K-map, right? 4 variable K-map: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Just fill these the last things which you have got in the columns. Try to group these things. See, this is a quad. You got this quad. Okay, for this quad you got B bar D. So then for this pair you got this expression. For this pair you got this expression. For this pair you got this expression. So when the group contains a variable, you need to include this variable in the expression. So look at this. This pair contains an expression E bar. You're supposed to include in the expression. So going with the next problem, f of ABCD, this is a 4 variable using 2 variable MVP method. Okay. So far what we did is 5 variable was reduced to 4 variable, and 4 variable was reduced to 3 variable, and 3 variable was reduced to 2 variable. But here 4 variable is reduced to 2 variable, means 4 variable K-map contains 16 inputs. 2 variable K-map contains only 4 inputs. So 16 has to be reduced to 4 now. 16 need to be reduced to 4. Getting? So in the first column we have 8 inputs, that was reduced to 4, half of that. So in the next column we had 16 inputs, that was reduced to 8. This is 3 variable. 4 variable means 16, that was reduced to 3. So next we had 4 variables, that was reduced to 3. Next we had 5 variables, that was reduced to 4. So here we have 4 variables that is supposed to be reduced to 2 variable. Okay, how to consider? Now you are supposed to make 2 columns as map entered variables. So far we had made 1 column as a map entered variable. So now I am taking last 2 columns as map entered variable. Okay. You are supposed to, before you are just considering 2 2, right? 2 2 2 2, like. So 2 rows you are grouping, like now you are supposed to group 4 rows. 4 4 4 4. When they ask 4 to 2, 16 to two variables, means two variables contains only 4 inputs. 16 should be reduced to 4 inputs now. 16 divided by 4 is 4 now. So for 4 groups. So look at here, 0, 0, 1 and 1. So look at this column, C column and D column. Look at this C column, 0, 0, 1 and 1. This is also 0, 0, 1 and 1. If function f is same as this C, so I written C. Function f is same as C, so I written C. Okay, so next, 1, 1, 0, 0. Function f is reverse of C. Here 1 and 1, here 0 and 0. Here 0 and 0, here 1 and 1. So function f is reverse of C, so I written C bar. Okay, so here all x's, so directly written x. Here see, function f is same as D, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, so I written D. So only 4 inputs now, C, C bar, X, D, C, C bar, X, D, grouping. So this X can be taken as 1, so you can't group C with a C bar. So you can't group C with a D. Different variables can't be grouped. You can group C with a C, but not C with a C bar or D with a D bar. You can group D with the D, or C with the C, or C with X, or C with 1, or D with X, or D with 1. Okay. So I'm grouping this. You are going to get this one. This is B bar C. B bar C. Okay. And for this one, these two get cancels. This is A D. This one A bar B C bar. This one A bar B. This is not D. Okay. This is B. A bar B C bar. That's it. So let me go with once again. 16 variable K-map should be reduced to 2 variable once again. So here we had a match, like the given function was matching with the inputs of C column or D column. Here also, here it has matched with C column. Here it was reverse of C column. Here all are X, so I written X. Here it was similar to D column, so I written D. But when the matching was not there, when there is no match, what are you supposed to do? So similarly, take first 4, construct a 2 variable K-map like this: 1 1 1 1 0 1. So x 1 1 x, x 1 1 x, right? X 1 1 x, 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. So group this one, this like this pairing. So you get C bar plus D. For this you are going to get 1. For this you are going to get CD. For this you are going to get C bar D. C bar D. You are supposed to write CD because you are filling this, because C and D has made as a map entered variable. So not AB, write it as C. So you got these expressions. You need to fill like this. Look at this. 1 C bar D, you have grouped like this. Okay. For this you are going to get, this is B C bar D. Look at this group, B C bar D. Okay. Then look at this and this. So we have a plus here. So 2 separate groups they have done. One is group paired with C bar. So this can be written as B bar cancels, A bar C bar. This one A bar C bar. One is grouped with C bar. So this B bar B get cancels, A bar C bar. This D can be grouped with CD. Okay. A bar A cancels, B bar CD. Like this.